Now, all you NBA fans might have heard the iconic commentary of Mike Breen saying bang, bang. But that made me wonder that what do these commentators, broadcasters do when they have to cough? As basically when they are on air, they are constantly on. Whatever they say is getting recorded, is getting telecasted to us. So after some research, what I figured out is they have this device called the cough box, which is also known as the momentary muting box. So that's what they use when they have to cough mid-game. And actually I'm going to show you how it works now.
If I have to cough and I'm on air, I just press this button and now you can't hear me. And then when I unpress it, I'm right back on the air.
So yeah, that's something I found really interesting and I wanted to share with you all.